What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 1843, down 2.97 on the day. Sitting at a market cap of 222 billion. 24-hour volume, 19.2 billion. Let's pop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So it looks like we're seeing that wave 2 pullback, and currently we're going through an ABC correction that could bring you down here in between 1656 and 1787 for a wave 2, and then see a wave 3 to the upside, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 3. That's the bullish scenario. The second scenario that we could potentially look at, but we don't really have a proper 5-wave count, is that the larger wave 1 is complete and we see a huge wave 2 pullback. It's possible, but not until we come down and break that wave 2 low would I really be looking at that scenario to play out. But it is a possibility and just something to keep in mind, in my opinion. So if we pop over to our next chart here, which is on the daily time frame, we are starting to test that support. Let's actually look at it on the 4 hour. Yeah, starting to lose the support of the rising wedge. So watch this very, very closely because this pattern's target is all the way down here at about 1363. Now, I do believe that key levels and Elliott wave is much more effective way of trading than patterns, because what can happen with patterns is they break down, you have a huge bearish fake out, everybody goes short, boom, liquidate all the shorts, huge pump to the upside, throws back up into the pattern. But if you were just watching this key level of support, you can see we've seen multiple bounces off that level. So that's more what I look at, is key levels of support, but we do have a rising wedge as a little bit of confluence for a potential move to the downside. However, we do have support coming in here at about 1802, and we have all this support in this area about 1767, which is a major level, which lines up with our yellow box for a potential wave 2 pullback. All right, guys, so just watch for a bounce in between 1656 and 1787. If we do come down and lose that wave 2, it invalidates that structure. If we pop over to the daily, this would be an absolutely perfect time for the bears to trap the bulls and have a larger wave 5 down, as we just broke above the 0.5. So it could be a little bit of an overshooting wave 4 before seeing a move down. However, if we hold the EMAs here and we continue to push up, we break the golden ratio, much higher likely that the bottom is in for our friend ETH. But you have to be really, really careful, because during bear market rallies, you'll have the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. And it will be a little bit of a bull trap, and then you start to come back down. So once again, we've had the bullish cross of the EMAs. So if we do lose that support, that's when we could start to come down once again. We do have to focus on the bullish wave count for now until we come down and lose that wave 2 low at about 1567. But as of right now, we're looking for a potential wave 2, complete the ABC before seeing a larger push to the upside in a wave 3 to about 2200, 2262 for ETH. That is it for this one. We have a bullish divergence. We're making lower lows, higher lows on the 1 hour RSI. And that's about it for this one. All right, guys. Big shout out to the Discord where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Recently locked in some juicy gains on Matic, Ethereum, and Gala. As you can see here, we also have my spot trades where we recently locked in gains on DOT. We recently locked in gains on Link as well. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, you can sign up through the Patreon link. It's only $10 a month, and we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. In the next one, much love. Take care.